Eric is a 27-year-old man from Korea who works as a manager at a company in America. He has always been dedicated to his job, striving to do his best every day. His hard work has paid off, and he is proud of his achievements in a foreign country. His wife, Sonia, is a 25-year-old Korean-American doctor. Together, they have just moved into a new house in the suburbs after being married for 2 years. Their happiness grows when Sonia announces that she is pregnant, and they celebrate by inviting Eric's coworkers to a restaurant. However, their happiness does not last long. After a few days in their new home, Eric and Sonia start having disturbing nightmares. Every night, they wake up scared after seeing the figure of an old woman in a wedding dress standing by an old grave. The dreams feel very real, and the tension rises when they realize that the woman also appears in their house, as if she wants to deliver a message. In a panic, they seek help by inviting a priest from 2 different churches. However, both priests give the same answer. They must leave the house immediately. Everyone who has lived in that house has experienced similar events, and Eric and Sonia begin to feel that something is very wrong with the place. After finding an old book that tells the tragic story of a bride who committed suicide at that location, their fear deepens. Not wanting the same fate to happen to them and their unborn baby, they decide to leave the house for the safety of their family. With heavy hearts, they pack their things and leave, determined to start a new life in a safer place.